everyone. I'm going to be making chicken masala today, and I thought that I would tape it so that you guys can see how I make it. So here we go. Okay, I have 3 chicken breasts here, and I have them on a clean cutting board, and I've pulled most of the fat off and have them all ready to pound. Okay. I'm going to get out my mallet. Hang on one second. Okay, what I'm going to do is put it on a piece of plastic paper. Okay, I have Okay, in a shallow bowl, I have my flour, salt and pepper, and oregano. And I used a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of dried oregano. And took my chicken breasts, pounded them out. And in the frying pan over here, I have my olive oil, which is 4 tablespoons of olive oil and 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so, alright, back to the chicken. I'm going to dredge it through the flour mixture. And I have these gloves on because it just makes things a lot neater. Okay, so my oil and butter are melting. And I'm going to cook my first piece. I'm going to have to do these separately because they came out so big. Okay. No. All fried up. You cut it in the thickest pot just to see if it's pink in the middle, and this piece is done. It is. And I'm just using the regular masala cooking wine. I have all the chicken back in the pan. I've turned over the pieces, and now I'm going to add my mushrooms. And my marsala wine. And what's going to happen is, seeing the chicken is all breaded with the flour and the masala wine will kind of make like a thickened gravy. You'll see it thicken up. It's already thickening up in the middle here. Okay. Just want to make sure all the mushrooms are in the masala too, so that they'll all cook good. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to cover that and simmer it all for about 10 minutes. and we'll be back in a little bit. Okay guys, so my chicken is all in the pan. Everything's in together in one pan. As you can see, the gravy is starting to thicken up. All the flavors are all together, and I've flipped the chicken. See, you can see the consistency of the gravy, how thick it's getting. And then you can just flip everything again. Get the mushrooms on the bottom so we can absorb some of the gravy. And I'm going to be serving that over angel hair pasta or spaghetti, one or the other. So I have my water all ready to boil, and I will come back and show you what it looks like all plated up, and see you in a little bit. Okay, the chicken is all done, and I plated it. And with the gravy that was left in the pan, I boiled my pasta, and I have it heating up right now with all the juices, so it's absorbing them. So the pasta will also have the same flavor. And there is the final product. I put a little parsley garnish around the outside of the dish and on the dish itself, and that's what it looks like. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you next time. Have a good night, guys.